fully operational truck air suspension educational trainer. It includes a complete electronically controlled air suspension system, an air reservoir tank, ECAS ECU, height sensors for both front and rear axles, and a remote control pad for height adjustments and diagnostics. The trainer is designed for straightforward use. Simply connect an air compressor to the system, activate the safety switch, and turn the ignition key to initiate operation. Air suspension adjustments are managed via the remote control unit. Users can independently raise or lower the front and rear suspension, or adjust both simultaneously as needed, providing full flexibility in simulating real-world suspension behaviors. Integrated pressure gauges continuously display real-time air pressure within the system during operation, allowing users to monitor and understand pressure dynamics accurately throughout each exercise. The trainer allows for the measurement of various parameters using a multimeter, oscilloscope, or through the AutoEDU diagnostic connector. Built with a durable frame, the trainer is compact and mounted on 4 casters. To learn more, visit website or contact our team.